Betante, Mr. Inson, and Mr. Alaman. Jumble between Malulan and Traffic Juice number 4. Hey, hindi na rin kasi yung first match mga kaibigan. First match sa mating ng MISP. May ano sa Juice number 19. Yes, 2 points for Sayang Juice number 19. Juice number. Yawan number 1, dribbling the ball, pass to Aguirre, to Elizondo, jersey number 4, Pina Wishet. Yes, 2 points for Elizondo, number 4, jersey number 19, Sayang, pass to jersey number 7, United Blue, jersey number 4, Sayang, 2 points, Kapi. Pag-all number 6, dribbling the ball, sa panig ng MSD, pass to Yawan, jersey number 1, Yunus Bravo, shot clock, down to 10. Yawan again to Alsat, Bautista number 24. Nagbago na rin. Bautista number 12, ngunit pero tingnan ng foul. There's a foul for number 3, pushing foul number 3. Aguirre, that first one, and kulang pa rin sa kanyang CDK. Sayang, number 13.
President Rojas po, Intercollegiate.
Juice number 24. Last 8 minutes, 45 seconds, 6 against 2. 4-point lead for CDK. Malulan, pass to Pacong, number 6. Gumitan ng press, Kapos. Elizondo, offensive rebound, no good. Bautista on the rebound, sa panig ng CDK. Dribbling the ball, Bautista 2, Sayang, number 18. To Yulay, jersey number 7, Turin. 3 points, Yulay, jersey number 7. And mula sa panig ng MISP. Agawan, Aguirre number 3. Untuk ng nagawan, Aguirre again, drive, flat by Bautista. Lumayan, pass to Sayang, 2 points, Juice number 18. Last 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Pag-all number 6, dribbling the ball, pass to Aguirre number 3, jersey number 1, Yawan. Looking for something, shot knock down to 10. This ball forward. Sayang number 18. And mula pa rin sa mating ng MISP. Remaining time na 7 minutes and 28 seconds for the first period. Jersey number 7, Yunus Bravo mga kaibigan. Pass to Yawan, step back for 3. Tapos, ang pera nito si Yawan mga kaibigan. Pilang yung kaibigan, side step rin. Yes, 2 points. Pilang yung jersey number 8. Last 7 minutes. And 15 seconds. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Malula number 7. For the jump shot, no good. Rebound for Lumaki, jersey number 7. Oh, rebound sa panig ng CDK. Nagpili mo pass sa center, number 18. Sayang. Long pass to Pinari, number 20. Para to Kapi. Shot na. Down the front. Lumaki number 20. Bautista number 24, which is another. Bautista. Gumilang next, Yuni Kumasa. Kapi. Naginawan muna, Erson. Jersey number 4, Elizondo Erson. Pass to Aguirre. Aguirre drive, back to Elizondo. Yes, walang katao-tao mo. What a nice pass for Aguirre. Last 6 minutes. And 15 seconds. Billy, naglawan muna. Kami di makuha. Kami, more jump shot. Kami na rin. Naglawan muna. Pag-all, ano sa? Jersey number 6. Yung black mga kaibigan. Pag-all. Naglawan muna. Pass to Yawan. Shot back, down to 10. Pag-all again, yung black. Yawan for 3, no good. Jersey number 7, step back for the jumper. Aguirre, Luis Emilio, nabitawan niya muna. Cutting inside. Pass to Yumaki, number 7. Yumaki, speed. Pass to Bautista, number 24. Stepping up, jumper. No lead, but there's always over. Jersey number 7. Manila number 7 at first, and 2 balls from Bautista number 2. Anytime last 5 to 25 seconds. For the first single, Bautista first, 1 point Bautista. Bautista second ball for the first, great work. That's 2 for Bautista. And substitution. Jersey number 4, lalabas ni Zilda. Ovidio number 10, lalabas. Last 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Yawan Jersey number 1. Pass to Malugan to Aguirre. Reverse shot, 2 points. Aguirre number 3. Last 5 minutes remaining. Jersey number. Is ball command. Yawan number 1. Tula pa rin sa ating ng CDT. United, 4 Sayano, offensive final. Yes. 2 points for United, Jersey number. Sayano, rather, Jersey number 18. Got 2 points. Malula number 7, sideline. And there's only sound. Bautista for Jersey number 24. Illegal use of hands for Bautista number 24. And 2 shots for Malula number 7. Again, another Malula first. Hindi pumasok. Second ball is for Malula, Jersey number 7. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Rebound 4. Siago number 18 on rebound. Pass to T number 15. To Yumaki. Bukalabes. Hindi pumasok. Patawang number 6 on rebound. Nagulabo mga katinyan. Patawang. Dumaan sa gitna. Tuloy down. Bautista on rebound. Jersey number 3. Bautista. Nagkakakunan. Pass to Sayang number 3. Back to Bautista. Shot clock down 10. Bautista. Speed. Jump shot 2 points. Score 19-6. Aguirre number 3. Pass to Malulan. To Pagong number 6. Going down press. Hindi pumasok. T on river. Pass to number 19. To Pinaming sideline. There's the center. For number 10. Ovidio. Substitution. First and final quarter. Ovidio number 10. 3 shots. T. 4. Yumaki number 7. Park Baker Chelsea. Of course, Jersey number 15. Malugan. Quick shot. 2 points. Yumaki number 7. Outside for Pagong number 6. Aguirre number 3. 2 points. Last 2 minutes and 55 seconds for the first single. Pinaming. Back to Sayano. For the second. Aguirre. There's a sound for number. PBA. Pinaming number 20. Substitution. for building and more team fouls. 2 team fouls. 2 by 2. 2 team fouls. Lula number 7, pass to Aguirre. Back to Pacong, Jules number 6. To Aguirre number 3. For the jump shot, Capos. Ovidio offensive rebound. Pass to Lozano. No good. Rebound team. Bautista number 34, Brian. No good. Rebound for Aguirre. Number 3 is Matt. Aguirre. Side step layup. 2 points. Aguirre number 2. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds. 19-12 score. Jusilber. Bautista number 24. Yes, 2 points. Bautista. Jersey number 7. Malulan, pass to Pacong, to Lozano, tumitan press, hindi pumasok. Aguirre, offensive rebound, but there's a whistle under the basket, foul whistle for number 24, Bautista, 2 personal foul, substitution. Bautista lalabas, Simini, number 20, papasok. Aguirre, 2 shots. For his first, 1 point, Aguirre number 3. Second bonus throw for Aguirre number 3. Hindi pumasok. T on rebound, pass on. Maritana Jules number 11. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds for the first period. 24-13 score. Malulan, jersey number 7, pass to. Ay, Malulan. Nagkawan Malulan. Substitution. Aguirre lalabas. Pirakin number 5, papasok. One minute, 10 seconds. Maritana number 11, intercept by jersey number 7, Malulan. There's a whistle. Foul whistle for jersey number 11. Maritana number 11 get first. And 14 backs. 2 shots for Malulan number 7, first. 1 point. Second bonus from Malulan number 7. Yes, 2 out of 2 for Malulan. Score 15-24. Last 55 seconds. Our second quarter is number 15. Lozano. Pass to Pacong, jersey number 6. To Malulan. 2 points, jersey number 15. Lozano. Last 35 seconds. Last 3 seconds to Mujeta. 15 seconds. Last 10. Pacong for 3. Last 5 seconds. Score 17-27, 10-point lead for CDK. Mula sa panig ng CDK. Valiente number 140 man. Valiente pass to jersey number 11. And the final number 11. Kupini number 15. Pass to Sian. Other Lumagi Brother. Lumagi number 7 number West. Ila Sura. Ada seringan tinggi number 3. Bumi Hao Lula number 7. Order. Pass to Pakong number 6. Dan kawan Lula Pakong again. Okay, loose ball. Pakong number 6. This is number 11 number pass D. Yumagi with progress. Niwasa. Pakong number 6 on rhythm. Pass on. Jersey number 15 Luzano. Jersey number 13 moving out of press. Yumagi on rhythm. Pass on. Marikana number 11. Back to Yumagi. Number 11, Sasnak down 10. Yumagi again, over the best. Trying up the best, 2 points. Yumagi 2-7. Score 17-point game. And even time lasted 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Pagkaw number 6. Pass to Malulan, jersey number 7. Shot back down 10. Malulan to Luzano, side step, jump shot, yes, 2 points. Luzano number 15, and there's always a for number 7. Illegal incidents and 1 bonus throw for Luzano. Yumagi number 7, first personal foul, and 1 bonus throw for Luzano number 15. Luzano first bonus throw, hindi pumasa. And then another one. Pass through. Marikana, back to Malaysia. Marikana next. Yumagi number 1. Pass to jersey number 11. Lampa. To Fajardo, number 15. Shatna, 10 seconds. Luzano number 15, 2 points. Seven minutes and 40 seconds. 50 seconds on the season. Yumagi, pass over Marikana. Round 5, Marikana, 2 points. Jersey number 11. 31-21 score. Fajardo number 13. Pass to Luzano. Luzano for the perimeter jump shot. No need. Valiente on earner. Happy more rhythm. Pass to Yumagi number 7. To Marikana number 11. Valiente again to the next. Ini pumasok. Dilangin number 5. On rhythm. Pass to number 7. Malulan. To Blanca for 3. No good. Bautista. Bautista number 4. To Yumagi. 7 seconds. Marikana with the rest. No good. Valiente to Yumagi number 7. Bautista number 4. Luzano nalabas. Dan Valiente papasok ang sini. Aguirre 2-1 score. Jersey number 7. Lumani. Remaining time, last 6 minutes, 1 second minute score, 21-33. 12-point lead for CDP. This score for Maluna. Jersey number Bautista, number 24. Pass to Pinagini. Yumani right. Yes, 2 points. Yumani jersey number 7. Last 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Blanca. Pass to Malula number 7. Binublock po mga kaibigan. Malula na. Wala na. Thursday of December. Jersey number 7. Blocking foul for Yumagi number 7, second personal foul and 2 team fouls. Pagawang warning man. Pass to Blanca. To Aguirre. Pass to Birangin number 5 for the perimeter jump shot. Okay, magkasama. Ay, video runner. Video warning man, pass to Birangin number 5 to Blanca. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Ovidio. Nabitawan na muna. And turnover. 5 minutes, 7 seconds. 21-25 score.
Okay, yan, first set play. There's number 3 again. And the last rebound. We say that the first number 8 pass to Pili. Okay, Pili go turnover. Everybody knows that Pili is key. And over rebound pass to first number 11, Blanca. Blanca de pass to Berangel. Pull-up jumper. Okay, pasok rebound. Oberio, naglaguan. Aguirre, and 2 points. And score 23-35 in favor of CDP. And Bautista jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 1, Capi. 40 seconds on the clock, and jersey 7. Okay, following jersey number 10, substitution. Personal foul forward. Oberio and 1 team points. All runner. And score 23-35, 4 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. Okay, dia again. Pass to Bellamel. And yes, 2 points. And Sayago pass to Yumaki jersey number 7. Okay, back to Sayago. And 40 seconds on clock. 10 seconds on clock. Sayago pass to Bellamel. 28, cross the body. 5 seconds on shot clock, Bautista. Okay, pinipasok Limon. Berangel, there's the number 1, Liawan. Okay, Liawan again. Ronnie jumps up, yes, 2 points. Liawan, there's the number 1, score, 25. And Anderson, Berangel, 2. Okay, again. Liawan. Okay, pinipasok Limon. Philippines, there's the number 28. Okay, lumaki ka natin sa tayo. Pass to. Okay, Liawan, there's the number 1. Pass to Ovelio, there's the number 10. Okay, lumakot Limon. Kati, there's the number 4. Okay, there's the Wiesel. And following, there's the number. Okay, 6. And timeout. CDK. Score 27-35. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. And first personal foul and 2 team fouls. Okay, 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Okay, MISP. Siddiqui mula runner. Siddiqui. Okay, there's the number 19 pounds. Sayago. As the Yumaki block, there's the number 19. Rock Yumaki. Rock Sayago. 15 seconds on the suspect. Yumaki kita atas. Okay, Yumaki buka pembelanya. 2 points. Okay, Yumaki, there's the number 1. Okay, that's it. Play 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Aguirre, there's the number 3 spin. Hindi pumasok rebound. Bautista, there's the number 24. Okay, Bautista again. Drive, lay up. Hindi pumasok rebound, there's the number 3. Aguirre, pass to Liawan. Okay, Liawan again, pass to Patong. Hindi pumasok rebound, there's the number 7. Sayago. Yumaki runner, Yumaki. Pass to Sayago, there's the number 19. Pass to Pinagin again. Hindi pumasok rebound. Ovelio, pass to Pinagin. Tupac on there's number 6 spin and intercept by Yumaki, there's number 7 pass to Sayago. Okay, 1 minute and 50 seconds. Okay, Sayago again, pass to Simi, there's number 20. Okay, Yumaki again to Liawan. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Okay, there's number 3 Aguirre, pass to Liawan. There's number 1 pass to Berangel. Yes, 2 points. And score 29-37 in favor of CDK and Yumaki. Speed, block, and intercept by Patong. Okay, Patong versus number 6. Pass to Liawan. Pass to Ovelio. 15 on the shot clock. Ovelio. Okay, pumasok ikaw. Yumaki versus number 7. Pass to. Okay, Philippines and turnover. Okay, substitution. Ovelio out. Berangel out. And Malulan and the Sanami. And there's the number 6 number of pass to Liawan. Okay, seconds to play last. 55 seconds. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Malulan. Okay, di pumasok rebound. Okay, Semi pass to Yumaki, there's number 7. Sayago. Okay, di pumasok rebound. Malulan, there's number 7. Pass to Patong, there's number 6. Okay, last 35 seconds. And Liawan pass to Lozano, there's number 15. Pull up jumper. Okay, di pumasok rebound. Sininipa ang score yung money number 7. Last 25 seconds. 15 on the shot. Last 20. And Bautista, yes, he won. Last 10. Okay, last 5 seconds. And Aguirre, 2, Manulan. Yes, 2 points, Manulan. And okay, time for the second period score. 31-39, 1 open toss ang Abante. CDK. Okay, jersey number 1, young one inbound. Pass to again, jersey number 3. Okay, 15 seconds on shot clock. Again. Yes, 2 points. Okay, score 33-39. And Sayago, jersey number 19, jersey number 4, cutting pass to Bautista. Back to cutting, ay Valente runner. Pass to Sayago. Bumitaw ng 3. Okay, hindi pumasok rebound. Pass to jersey number 15. Okay, intercept by jersey number 3, Aguirre. Pass to jersey number 1, Leon. Okay, pass to Aguirre. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, pass to Leon. And 2 points. Score 35-39. Pinapapagpusin ang po ang abante ng CDK. And Sayago, pass to Yumagi. Pass to Bautista. And turnover. Balik ang bola sa MISP. 8 minutes and 56 seconds. And jersey number 1, Leon. Leon again. Pass to Patong to jersey number 3, Lozano. Yes, 2 points. Okay, score 37-39. Ng CDK. And jersey number 19, Sayago. Pass to Valiente. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Back to Sayago. Pass to Yumagi. Pull-up jumper. Okay, di pumasok rebound. Aguirre, jersey number 3. Pass to Leon, jersey number 1. Leon, pass to Lozano. Okay, pull-up jersey number 7. Yumagi. Okay, 3 persons on the phone for Yumagi. Pass to Yumagi. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Back to Sayago. Pass to Valiente. And Valiente. 3 points. Okay, score 39-42. Okay, Leon versus number 1 represents the play. Okay, 40 seconds on the shot clock. Leon pass to number 1. Leon, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Leon step back for the Leon, 3 points. Okay, score 42. Okay, Sayago, jersey number 19. Pass to Yumagi, jersey number 7. 1, 2, Sayago. 10 seconds on shot clock. Pass to Yumagi, jersey number 7. Okay, 5 seconds on shot clock. Sayago running jump shot. Okay, hindi pumasok rebound. And okay, jersey Pizzel. Okay, fall by jersey number 24. Bautista. Okay, Bautista, 3 personal foul and 2 team fouls. Okay, Leon jersey number 1. Pass to again. Pass to Banulan. Ini pasok Leon. Banulan again. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Leon. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock. And there's a reason. There's a reason. Okay, following there's a number 24. Bautista up 10 minutes. And Bautista. 4 personal fouls and 3 fouls. And Leon for the jumper. Okay, pass it down. Okay, jersey number 15. Pass to Sayago. And Sayago, jersey number 19. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Yumagi. Bumitaw ng 3. Okay, di pumasok rebound. Mano-mano. 2 points. Okay, jersey number 7, Yumagi. Okay, 15 seconds on shot clock. And Valiente. Jump shot. Okay, dito pumasok rebound. Jersey number 7, Malula. Pass to Leon, jersey number 1. Leon. And Kapong, jersey number 6. Pass to Leon. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, Leon. Nagiging pass to Siago. Pass to. Okay, Siago. Jersey number 50. Pass to Yumagi. Bumitaw ng tracks. Okay, di pumasok rebound. Lozano. Pass to. Okay, Valiente. Pass to Siago. Yes, 2 points Siago. Score. 44 all. And jersey number 1, Leon. Okay, 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Remaining time. Magiging pass to Leon. 20 seconds on the top. Leon just not again. Pass to Kapong. Pass to Siago. And Siago again. Jersey number 19, Steve. And already pass to rebound. Lozano pass to Leon. Okay, again. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Malula, jersey number 7. Okay, pass to rebound. Back out on the left knee. Jersey number 15. Okay, substitution. Lozano out, sitting out, Pyramid and Overview. Okay, first jersey number 12, Lozano, jersey number 15, and first team foul. And Valiente. Pass to Pyramid. Yes, 2 points. Okay, jersey number 1. Leon. That's 6 of 8. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, 10 seconds on the shot clock. And Leon. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Favor of MISTO Pangilala and Yumagi pass to Philamin pass to jersey number 19 Siago. Okay, jersey Bissell. Okay, jersey Bissell. Followed by jersey number. Okay, 7 Yumagi foul. Substitution. Leon out far to E. Okay, Malunan 2 personal foul and 2 team fouls. And Siago. 2 Yumagi, 2 release 3. Okay, di pumasok rebound. Jersey number 15, back to Yumagi, pass to Valiente. Yes, 2 points. Okay, 3 minutes and 55 seconds. And jersey number 6, Patron. Pass to Fajardo. Pass to Valiente. 40 seconds for the shot clock. Pass to Manuel. Okay, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Fajardo. Okay, jersey number 7, Yumagi. And okay, bola pa rin ang City Gate. Okay, substitution. Okay, Aguirre out. Andaman E, jersey number 16. And Yumagi, pass to Siago, back to Yumagi. And yes, 2 points. Yumagi, jersey number 7, score. 47-15 and favor of CDK. And CDK and pass to Fajardo. Pass to jersey number 10. Okay, 7 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Manuel, jersey number 7. Okay, hindi pass to Leon. Okay, jersey number 7, Yumagi. Pass to Siago, jersey number 19. And Siago, 3 points. And 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Okay, jersey number 6. All pass to Fajardo. Jersey number 13. 30 seconds on the shot clock. Fajardo. And jersey number 7. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And Valiente, bumitaw ng 3. Okay, di pumasok, rebound. Okay, kick ball. Okay, bulan ng MIST o Makila. Okay, baka rebound pass o Patong. Okay, jersey number 6. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Pass na Manila. 15 seconds na sa pass to Roberto. Okay, hindi masok pa kaya lang. Rebound sa Yako. Last 2 minutes. Sayako pass to Yumagi. 15 out of shot clock. Pass to Valiente. Pass to Sayako. 10 seconds out of shot clock. To T. Pass to Valiente. Side step. Layup. Okay, pumasok Valiente agad ng rebound. Okay, 10 seconds out of shot clock. Yumagi. Yes, 2 points. Okay, 1 minute and 35 seconds. And Malukan jersey number 7. Number 19. Yes, 2 points. Okay, Pardo. 2. Batong. Jersey number 6. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 40 seconds on the shot. Okay, nalang again. 10 seconds on the shot. And by jersey number 7. Layup. Intercept by Seago. 2 points, Seago. Okay, last 50 seconds. Okay, last 45. Okay, 40 seconds. Last 40 seconds. Last 35. 8 seconds on the shot and 3 seconds. Okay, third quarter. Okay, 38 seconds. Jersey number 7, Yumagi. Last 30 seconds. Valiente. Rebound Obenio. Okay, jersey Giselle. Jersey Giselle, followed by jersey number 19. Lucky ball, Sayako. Sansan. Okay, first person on the ball, Sayako. And first goal, Patong. 48-59 score. 48-59 in favor of CDU. Okay, last goal, Patong, jersey number 6. Okay, 22.7 seconds. Okay, Valiente buang pass sa Yumagi. Last 15 seconds. Pass to T. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Valiente bumitaw ng 3. Valiente, 3 points. Last 5. Pass to Bautista, jersey number 24. Okay, pumasok 5 ng Lozano. Pass to. Okay, liyawan to Aguirre, jersey number 3. Pass to Aguirre down. Pass to Aguirre, jersey number 3. And there's the result. There's the result of jersey number 7. Before another, lucky goal. Score 50-62. And Yumagi jersey number 7, pass to Maritan. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to. Okay, intercepted by Pag-Ong, jersey number 6. Pass to Yumagi jersey number 1. Okay, Yumagi with the rest. Pass to jersey number 24. Bautista. Okay, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, Bautista pass to Maritana. Okay, shot clock down to 10 seconds. And Philippine pull-up jumper. Okay, di pumasok ni Mount Lozano. Pass to. Okay, Liyawan jersey number 1. 8 minutes and 45 seconds. And jersey number 3, Lozano. Okay, di pumasok ni Mount Lozano. Pass to Maritana. Jersey number 11. Okay, 15 seconds on shot clock. Pass to Yumagi. Cutting jersey number 4. Pass to Philippine jersey number 28. Layup, yes, 2 points. Okay, score 50-64. And Liyawan 2 Anderson. Okay, Yumagi. Jersey number 7. Pass to Cutting jersey number 4. Okay, back. Yumagi jersey number 7, pass to Maritana. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Back to Yumagi. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Kati. Pass to Yumagi. Pass to Philippine. Okay, dito pass to Limon. Manulan jersey number 7. And Manulan jersey number 7. Pass to Lozano jersey number 15. Okay, dito pass to Limon. Okay, jump ball. Okay, ini istilah substitution. Okay, kalian out, Yumagi out. Saya boleh balik. And 15 starting out, pass to Liyawan. Okay, 10 seconds on sa sakit. Okay, 3 points. Two points. Okay, Maritana jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 24. Bautista. Okay, dito masuk limang. Lozano pass to Liyawan jersey number 1. Pass to Mato. Pass to Aguirre. Jersey number 3. And now referee. Okay, following jersey number 11. And score 52-64 and favor of CDK. Maritana, jersey number 11. Pass to Bautista, jersey number 24. Pass to Valiente. Bumitaw ng 3. And Valiente, 3 points. And Leon pass to jersey number 3. Aguirre. Pass to Paco. Magiging masuk to Aguirre. Yes, 2 points. Okay, score 67-55. And people of CDG and Sayago. Pass to jersey number 24, Bautista. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Only 10 seconds on the shot clock. And Sayago bumitaw ng 3. Sayago, 3 points. Okay, Leon pass to Aguirre, jersey number 3. Okay, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Aguirre pass to Oben. Pass to Leon, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, there's a traffic violation. And now they are really entered over. Okay, they are going pass through. Okay, Maritana, walk to jersey number 24, Bautista. Pass through, Valiente, jersey number 1. Okay, 12 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 24, Bautista. Okay, di pumasok rebound over yung pass to Paco. Pass to jersey number 3, Aguirre. Yeah, yes, 2 points. Okay, score, 57-70. Okay, Maritana pass to Sayago. Pass to Bautista. Yes, 2 points. Bautista, jersey number 24. Okay, Leon, jersey number 1. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Leon pass to Aguirre, jersey number 3. Pass to Obelia, jersey number 10. Pass to Sayago, jersey number 19. And intercept by Manulan, jersey number 7. Pass to Pacacom. And jersey number 7. Jersey number 1. Substitution, Lumaki. Time out, MIST. Okay, 4 minutes and 50 seconds score, 57-72. Pass to Yumagi, jersey number 7. Pass to Maritana, jersey number 11. 2, jersey number 15. Pass to Yumagi, bumitaw ng 3. Okay, di pumasok rebound, Sayago. Okay, di pumasok rebound, Leon, jersey number 1. And Leon, Maritana, jersey number 11. Pass to Bautista, jersey number 24. Okay, jersey whistle. Jersey whistle and foul by jersey number 7. Okay, 2 bonus throw for Bautista and Manulan 3 personal foul and substitution. Leon out, Lozano in. Okay, 2 minutes throw for Bautista. And first throw. Okay, 1 point. Okay, last throw with the jersey number 24, Bautista. And 2 out of 2. 4 minutes and 7 seconds. 59-74 score. And back off jersey number 6. Back to Malulan, jersey number 7. Okay, Malulan again. Pass to Lozano. And 2 points. Okay, 61-74. Okay, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. And Sayago. Pass to jersey number 24. Bautista. 30 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Bautista. Pass to intercept by off jersey number 6. Pass to Malulan, jersey number 7. And there's a whistle. There's a whistle and off by jersey number. Okay, 19. Okay, 2 personal foul for Sayago and 2 team fouls. 3 team fouls together. First of Malulan. Okay, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Maritan. There's number 11. Okay, Maritan again lay up and yes, 2 points. Okay, 61-76 score. Okay, back home pass to jersey number 3, Aguirre. Pass to Malulan, jersey number 7. And traveling violation. Ang tinawag niya ni Malulan and turnover. Okay, 3 minutes and 2 seconds. And jersey number 3, Bautista. Pass to. Okay, yung mga jersey number 7. Last 3 minutes. Okay, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, yung kami jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 15, pass to Bautista. Yes, 2 points. Okay, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. And Aguirre, moving down the press. Okay, pass to jersey number 24, Bautista pass to Yumaki. Jersey number 7. Okay, 2 minutes and 25. Okay, 8 seconds violation. Okay, balik ng bola sa MAST. Okay, Malulan down pass 2. Okay, back home jersey number 6. 10 seconds on the shot clock. And Obeno. Okay, yung pasok ng bounce. Okay, turnover. 2 minutes and 16 seconds. 2 minutes and 16. Okay, jersey number 15, E. Pass to jersey number 24. Bautista. Okay, 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds on the shot clock. And turnover. And back home jersey number 6. Pass to Malulan, jersey number 7. Okay, okay, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Aguirre. Okay, Aguirre, 3 points. Okay, 64-78. And T, jersey number 15, pass to Maritana, pass to jersey number 24. Bautista, 12 seconds on the shot clock. And there's a whistle. Okay, there's a whistle followed by jersey number 15, Lozano. 2 personal foul and 2 team fouls. Okay, 1 minute and 19 seconds. Okay, jersey number 7, Yumagi pass to Maricana, jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 15 to Yumagi. Bumitaw ng tres. And Yumagi, 3 points. Okay, 1 minute and 9 seconds. Okay, third over. Okay, 1 minute and 5 seconds. 64, 81 score. And jersey number 7, Yumagi, pass to T. Last a minute. Okay, 12 seconds on shot clock. Sayago. Okay, last 45. Okay, last 20 seconds. Hey, 2 points, Bautista. Okay, last 30 seconds. Okay, back on. Magiging pasok dito ang Sayago.